Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making beef stew. You will need 2 pounds of beef stew, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of beef broth, 3 potatoes, 1 onion, 3 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Season your beef with the salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Add your beef to the slow cooker, then cover with the flour. Now add the carrots, onions, potatoes, and celery. Add the garlic, beef broth, red wine vinegar, thyme, and bay leaf. Now cover and simmer on low for 8 hours or on high for 4 hours. This is a very easy recipe that everyone will enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.